Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're in the meeting and ready to share. First, make sure the window or tab you'll present is open and visible. Once done, confirm your browser has mic/camera and screen permissions so sharing won't be blocked. Next, click Present Now at the bottom right of Meet. This begins the share workflow immediately. Do this now to avoid interrupting the flow of your meeting. Permissions and preparation prevent delays and fumbling when it's time to show content. Once the Present Now menu appears, choose what to share and why. Pick a Chrome tab for video to preserve audio sync and lower CPU, or select Window to show a single app without exposing other tabs. Make sure to toggle Share Audio if your presentation includes sound, otherwise participants will miss media. After selecting the item, click Share and verify the green border or Preview in Meet. This confirms the correct view is live. Move smoothly. Switching options mid-present is possible, but can be disruptive. When you're finished, click Stop Presenting so you regain normal meeting controls and free up system resources. Make sure participants confirm they saw the full content. If someone reports issues, have them reload the Meet tab or switch between presenter and tiled views to refresh the stream. If sharing itself fails, recheck OS and browser permissions, try restarting the browser tab, or switch to Chrome if you're on a different browser. These steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.